Smoking meat creates a texture that is hard to beat and also a flavor that is easily recognizable. In this video we're going to have a look at the 10 easiest meats to smoke. A whole chicken is really the easiest meat to smoke because it's easy and affordable, and it's really hard to get it wrong. So the recommended smoker temperature is between 275 degrees Fahrenheit and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And the finishing temperature should be about 170 degrees Fahrenheit. You let it smoke for around 2 to 3 hours. Next up, number 2 are the chicken legs or chicken thighs. They are really easy because they don't take a long time to smoke, about 1 hour and a half and 2 hours. The smoker temperature should be about 275 degrees Fahrenheit and 350 degrees. And the finishing temperature again should be 170 degrees Fahrenheit. So the chicken wings are the number 3. They are an all-time favorite. You apply the same temperatures and the same finishing temperatures and also the same amount of time. A tip what you can do with chicken wings is that you can add some cornstarch into the rub, and this will make the skin really crispy. Number 4 is yet another chicken part. It's the chicken breast. This time a trick here is to brine the chicken or rub it with some olive oil. This way you can really make sure that the seasoning sticks and it provides an extra layer of fat and flavor. You could also add fat directly. Number 5 is the sausage. The recommended temperature here are between 225 and 250 degrees Fahrenheit. The finishing temperature should be around 160 degrees Fahrenheit for beef and pork sausage, and for poultry aim for 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The smoking time should be around 30 minutes to 1 hour. Number 6 are the beloved burgers. Aim for a temperature of 225 degrees Fahrenheit and a finishing temperature of around 160 degrees Fahrenheit. It should take around 1 hour to smoke a burger or multiple burgers, and a tip for success is to choose a 80-20 ratio of ground beef. And then also you can reverse sear the burgers after smoking to get a really crispy crust and exterior. Number 7 is ham. This is already a processed piece of meat. Aim for a temperature of 225 to 250. Finishing temperature should be around 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and the smoking time between 1 hour if the ham is fully cooked and 7 hours if it's brine and uncooked. Number 8 is a breakfast fatty. This is your favorite breakfast, mainly rolled with ground sausage and bacon, and it's covered in barbecue sauce and then smoked. For this to be successful, aim for a temperature of 225 to 240, finishing temperature around 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and smoke between 1 and 3 hours. Number 9 is my personal favorite. It's pork butt, so pulled pork or a pork shoulder. Aim for a smoker temperature of 225 and 240 degrees Fahrenheit. The finishing temperature should be 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit to be on the safe side, and smoking time could be anywhere between 1.5 hours to 8 and 10 hours. As the number 10, I have the pork belly or a bacon. Aim for a temperature of 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The finishing temperature should be 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and the smoking time will be between 3 and 4 hours. If you want to know more about food and get better at cooking, subscribe to the Food and Fizz channel. Thank you so much for watching. This was Daniel, and goodbye. Bye-bye.